back. So today I have another video for you guys, and guess what video it is? So today's video we are actually teaching you guys how to dye your lace wig. Yes, to make those knot looks flawlessly knotless. Yeah. All right, so like I said, the hair that I'm using is going to be by Nice Hair. Yes, we're going to do Nice Hair. You will need the hair. You also need a scissors, some good old foil paper, baby. Can't go wrong with that. You would also need a brush. You need a BW2 powder. So this is lightning powder. You will also need, you can use 30 or 40 developer, but I use 30 because it's processed slower, but I like it better to use because at least you could watch the knots bleaching. And you just need a little mixing bowl as well. So that is what I will be using today. So let me open up my package and yeah, take out the hair. So I'm gonna take out this hair and then I'm gonna show you guys what you do next as well, and yeah, how to get this hair looking right and to a T. So you want to make sure at first you're going to turn it over on this side, but you can also, yeah, you gotta make sure when you're doing that. Okay, so you just want to know where exactly you want to bleach, and the only thing is because it's a T part, you just gotta bleach that little part there. Okay, and yeah, so it's not that much you gotta bleach. So I'm going to go do that now, and you don't have to bleach it, but I want to bleach it a little bit because I want to make sure that, you know, this thing is slayed like a mother fofo. All right, so let me go and do that. I'll probably do either a voiceover for the rest of the video. So I'm going to show you guys my setup. So let me get the space area, the work area that I'm working with, set up, and yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so you've got your bowl here, you've got your bleach. So I'm opening the powder here with the scissors. Don't mind me, guys, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so let's get into this. So I'm pouring it in the dish, as you can see, and then I'm going to put in my 30 developer inside. You want to make sure that you are mixing. You just take a little bit at a time and pour a little bit to mix to consistency. You want it thick, you don't want it watery, else it's going to literally bleach through those knots. So the front of the hair will actually look like how the end of the hair look. So right here you could see I have a timer. So as we're doing, we're going to just bleach the T part right here. As you can see, you just want to tap it on. You don't want to rub it because it will end up bleaching through the hair. Like I said, you just want to do the knots. So as you can see, I've done the perimeter area and I'm going to leave it. I'm going to fold it over with the foil paper and I'm just going to let that bad boy sit for a good about 5 to 10 minutes. So as you can see here, I'm setting my timer, so it's 10 minutes I let it sit for, and we will pretty much be back. I'm just gonna clean up my area now, and okay, the 10 minutes is up. So as you can see, you could already see from the little part that I showed you that the knots are bleached. I'm going in with this shampoo and conditioner. You can use any shampoo and conditioner of your choice. So let's go to the sink. As you see here, I'm going to put it on some lukewarm water and just kind of rinse it off first before I go in with the shampoo and the conditioner. So I just want to rinse it, but as you guys can see, you could see that it's actually bleached just from looking at where the T part is. So you just want to make sure you rinse this hair thoroughly to get most of the bleach out of it, else it will continue to process and dye more than what you want it to. So I'm going to rinse it a little bit longer. I just want to make sure that I'm getting everything out of the hair. And yeah, so I do a good rinse first, and then I'm gonna go in now with my shampoo. And I think I shampoo this hair maybe about
2 times just to make sure. So you just want to really lather it up and rub it in there, and basically wash it as if you were washing your hair, because you want to make sure that the bleach is out of the hair, else where the black part of the hair is, it's going to dye it and give you that copper color, and you don't want that. Unless you're going for that style, then go ahead, it's on you. But I didn't want that. I wanted to stay, I just wanted my knots to look more realistic and to suit me better. So as you can see, I'm just rinsing it out here, and I just pretty much continue rinsing it, making sure that I'm getting every little nooks and cranny of the bleach out of this hair, because your girl didn't want this hair to mess up, because if it did, then I would obviously have to re-bleach it. So here I'm showing you that the knot is bleach and it looks good. So I just continue to just watch. Yeah, pretty much. If we pay more of our time, yeah, we both, I just get what we want. Too scared to love me. Tell me what I did this time. Why did I work so for you? I wish I could read your mind. I don't know if you want me to come over. I don't know if you want me to come over. Don't wanna ask, really I should know better. I don't know if you want me to come over. I don't know if you want me to come over. Don't wanna ask, really I should know better. I don't know if you want me to come over. This is something that I'm used to. I give too much, but I choose to. And you love that. Yeah, love that. I don't know what you're looking through, but I work too hard not to lose you. You know that. Okay, as you see, I am going in with my conditioner now. Now I'm doing the last and final wash. So you're gonna go in and scrub this hair really good and just do a nice thorough wash to make sure that everything is out and the hair comes out nice and soft. So you just want to continue just washing it and scrubbing it. Yeah, and just make sure that you are also gentle with the hair as well when washing it. So yeah, so that's what you see me pretty much here doing. Now I'm rinsing it off and I'm just squeezing off all the excess off of it from top to bottom. Everything is well washed, and yep, and now as you can see here, it's all nice and dry, and as you can see, you see that, look at that, flawless. It is nice and bleached. You can't see the little black knots from it, so that is perfect. As you guys see, the hair is finally dry. Yeah, okay, and as you see, there is no, as I was showing you guys, you see, nice, and it processed good. Yeah, love it. So I just came back to close off this vlog saying I hope you guys like this quick tutorial on how to bleach your knots and have them looking real good. So the next time you guys see, it will be how I actually install this hair. And yeah, I'll definitely show you guys. So look, see, so there you go. You see, you don't see the little black knots as before. That's because it is bleached and it is looking good. So I am excited to install this hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you are new here, welcome. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you have your notification turned on all, that every time I upload a video, you guys will be the first to be notified. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoys today's video. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to tell a friend to come and
join the family over here. We're dropping the gems for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying them so far. And stay blessed, guys.
Until you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feel them alone for do it big.